Hello everyone. Welcome to this quick video presentation on the cause of death data process, in which I will describe the cause of death data process and highlight the importance of MCCD reporting within it. This quick video on MCCD training is a part of the initiative of Tata Memorial Center's Center for Strengthening Cause of Death Data. My name is Dr. Sanchita Saram, and I am working as the MCCD e-learning country coordinator with the CDC Foundation, supporting data for health initiative activities in India. I support MCCD training activities through the Center for Strengthening Cause of Death Data based at Tata Memorial Center. In this quick video, I am going to explain the role of MCCD in the cause of death data process. Let me first start by explaining what I mean by MCCD. Medical certification of cause of death, also known as MCCD for short, is the reporting of causes of death on one of the three specific forms used in India. Form 4 for facility deaths, Form 4A for non-facility deaths, which you can see here on the screen. Postmortem reporting form for deaths referred to medico-legal death system. The MCCD form is required by the Registration of Birth and Death Act of 1969. The standard form is developed by the World Health Organization, also known as WHO, and implemented by countries as it is or slightly modified. The WHO recently revised the MCCD International Form in 2016. This version has not yet been adopted in India, but is expected to be reviewed and adopted at some point. Medical doctors are the start of the cause of death data process, which is a part of an important government system, the Civil Registration and Vital Statistics System, also called as CRVS system. CRVS system is within the Ministry of Home Affairs of Government of India. In this figure, you can see that after a death occurs, it should be certified using appropriate medical certificate of cause of death form, Form 4, 4A, or the postmortem form for medico-legal deaths. This means the attending medical doctor assesses the decedent to determine the cause of death affected the decedent prior to death and reports them on the appropriate MCCD form. The MCCD form is then submitted to local registrar's office along with Form 2 for registration of death. The MCCD form, which can be Form 4, 4A, or the postmortem form, is submitted along with Form 2 to the registrar. The local registrar will register the death and issue a death certificate to family of decedent after application. The registrar has the MCCD form coded by mortality coders. The coders look at the conditions, causal sequence, and time intervals listed on the MCCD form to determine the underlying cause of death using World Health Organization's recommended International Classification of Disease, ICD. This complex application of rules and guidelines is used to identify the underlying cause of death, and it also includes codes for each possible condition or injury that can be listed on the MCCD form. Mortality coders transform the underlying cause of death from a word, for example, malignant melanoma of the scalp, to a number, C43.4. Coding facilitates comparability of the mortality data of your country across time and different administrative areas. And globally, it allows for a comparison between countries. The codes from the mortality statistics are analyzed in various ways, and results are included in reports prepared annually by Registrar General of India. These reports are of great importance, and remember, they comprise of causes of death information that the medical doctor report on MCCD forms. These reports are used by public health program planners and policymakers to make decisions on prevention and treatment programs on various health conditions. In this graph from 2019 Registrar General of India Annual MCCD Report, you can see that the death registration has increased substantially between 1991 and 2019. But the medical certification of registered deaths has increased only marginally from 12 to 20%. Medical certification of cause of death, or MCCD, is critical for all registered deaths. MCCD statistics are used to identify the best policies and programs to target the needs of the community. It is a missed opportunity if a death that occurs in a hospital or health facility is not medically certified. When a death occurs, in this case, one that occurs in a health facility, the medical doctor should complete the MCCD form so that it is submitted with the death registration form for the cause of death to be coded. It is then included in the various reports and analysis from cause of death statistics. Any health facility with a medical doctor is one that is equipped to certify deaths. Remember, correct reporting of cause of death for every death is essential. Medical certification of cause of death, MCCD, is as important as what a doctor writes in a patient's case notes. The causes of death doctor report in MCCD influences policies and planning of health programs. I hope you enjoyed this quick video training and now understand the importance of MCCD reporting in the cause of death data process. If you are interested in completing a training on correct medical certification of cause of death, please attend our 4-hour e-learning course available on OmniCuris platform. This course is eligible for 1 CME credit point and 100% free of cost. The details of the course are mentioned in the description box and available on Center of Strengthening Cause of Death Data, Tata Memorial Center. Enroll now. Thank you and goodbye.